Every hoe have them stick a bush. Every hoe have them stick a bush. A Jamaican parable. Do you know what it means? It simply means there is someone or something out there for everyone. Now let me break it down. Every hoe does not represent pimp's hoes nor Santa's ho ho ho, but a hoe nonetheless. A garden hoe, an ancient farming tool used for cultivation, introduced to Jamaica by slavery, had two parts: a hoe and a stick that you could find to fit in that hoe. It is suggestive at least, especially if you know the mechanics of forcing a stick in a hoe. I had to do it. But let's keep our thoughts clean. The term as such is mostly used to encourage a person who might be finding it difficult to find love. But it is also used in a wider sense. For example, don't worry about sportsman. That's enough for you. Every hoe have them stick a bush. For your stick, a bookwork. Translated, don't worry about sports. That's not for you. Every hoe has their stick in the bush. Your stick is education. And finally, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And remember, if you can't find love, don't worry. Every hoe have them stick a bush.